Hi, hello everyone, I'm Mimi and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing with About Face Beauty Cosmetics by Halsey. And before we get into the subject of this video, if you could please hit that like button and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Now, I'm already wearing my foundation and I've slightly concealed a little bit, color corrected, and now that that's all said and done, let's look at how I got sent this. I love discreet packaging because my family is nosy. And if I get a box like this, they don't bat at it. But when they're flashy and they have name brand logos all over them, everyone comes running and gives you the stank eye. So thumbs up for this. I do like it, however, when the inside of the box is really pretty and has design on it. This one doesn't. This one's just a box, just plain on the inside. It came wrapped in this paper like that. And one thing that I found really odd, I haven't opened any of this yet, is that some of the products came in this foil wrapping and some of them just came in the same boxes, these plastic boxes where you could see them. And they're all the same products, which I find extraordinarily odd. I don't know. What do you think? You find that odd? Because I do. Now, what did I get? I got two of the matte fluid eye paints, in two colors. I got the colors, this blue color, which is called, I don't know. Well, anyway, I got a blue color and I got the dark green, which is in this packaging. And then I got two lipsticks. I got the bright orange. That's what inspired me. I've been looking for a bright orange lipstick. I love orange lipstick and I haven't, drugstores used to have dozens of them and now they've got zero. And this was the only company that I found a bright orange lipstick in, so yeah, I was sold. And then I got Nudist. I know I got Nudist because I found my color just to be so interesting. And two of their lip liners. Now, I'm gonna open everything off camera and be right back. So I'm gonna start this swatch section with the matte fluid eye paints. These are like soft, beautiful to the touch, kind of fuzzy feeling like velvet. I really like this soft matte packaging. I do not like that there is no name anywhere on these bottles. Like, I don't know what the colors are. I know that this is their primary blue shade, and I think this one's called Smoke Signals from what I remember, but I really dislike that. Packaging, sort of impressive. It has a lot. It could be better. So, start with this blue shade. See what this looks like swatched. That's really pretty. Oh my gosh. I have no idea which color I'm going to use. So I'm going to wear blue with blue. And this is the color Smoke Signals. This is dark green. Ooh. You know, I think I'm going to go with the dark blue and I'm going to be using it as an eyeliner. Now let's do the lips. This color I know is Nudist Judas because I think that name is so strange. And this is like a yellow toned brown, which I love. And that's a pretty nude color. That's gonna be so pretty on my lips. I can't wait. And then this is the orange shade, which started up this expensive fiasco. They've lowered their prices since I purchased, I believe, which is disturbing to me because I wish I could have been in on that deal. So these are kind of hot, highly priced. And this is the orange color that started this whole shebang, which is absolutely stunning. Oh my gosh. I love that. These have sort of these lipsticks have sort of a minty smell. I wish I'd known that. I haven't heard anyone else say that about them because I kind of am put off by mint, but it's only in the lipsticks, so we'll see. I'm gonna do some lip swatches after I wash my in a second. Okay, so first up is Nudist Judas. Yeah, mint smell on this is strong, but it's not plumping or anything. It's just kind of an herbally mint. I don't mind it. This is a terrible lipstick application, by the way. But that is a beautiful nude yellow color. I like it. It's very avant-garde and strange. It's definitely up my alley. It's something I'm definitely wearing. Oh, it makes my teeth look white. I like that. This is pretty. This is a good color. I do have a lip liner, and I don't like using lip liners before lipsticks. I actually like using them over top. So let's see how this looks. This is the one that they paired with it, and again, no name on the package. Just like everything else I've tried so far. I don't like that. Unimpressed by that. Unimpressed. This is a beautiful lip liner for this lipstick. Oh yeah, that's pretty. I like to feather mine on gently, just shape and outline and kind of, you know, give some definition but not change my lips. So that's the first shade. Shade is this beautiful, beautiful orange. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh my god, it's like fire engine. I do want to define, I think, Cupid's bow with this lip liner in the bottom center. I love it. I look like a clown, but it's absolutely gorgeous. It's so pretty. These have a very dry feeling on the lips, and they go on kind of cracky, if that sounds strange. Kind of streaky and dry. I'm not sure I like them. I'm not sure. But the colors are interesting. Okay, I'm gonna go try one of these shades as an eyeliner. I think I want the blue, and that'll determine what lipstick I wear. So let's see how that works out, and then I will finish my makeup and be back. So my eyes are done, my face is powdered, and now I want to do my lips because this will determine the intensity of my blush. Because this is such a strong color. Now for my blush, I'm going to be using two colors. I'm going to be using Scrolling from she-glam, and this is the color. And I'm also going to be using this Sunset Glitz from CoverGirl, and I'm going to be mixing the two. I'm going to be using mostly Sunset Glitz, load this up, and then a touch of scrolling, just a touch. Teeny tiny touch like this. Maybe a little more than that. And I'm gonna apply it right here. Oh. What do you think? I think I need glitter on my eyes. Okay, I'm going to be using this Revolution palette. This is the For Flawless palette, and I'm going to be using this Wise glitter right there because I love it and I love glitter on my eyes, and I think that's what this is missing. So it just looks kind of flat to me. So let's just put this on my lid. Oh yeah, that's what this needs. Okay, so that made it look so much better, I think. Alright, I think that's it. This looks good. This is my about face look. I really love these colors. They're so pretty, they're so playful, they're so not me. But I like it. It's nice. It's fun. It's very summer. What do you think? If you liked this kind of look, please leave a comment below and tell me what you think about it. And if you don't, give me a thumbs down because I'm on the fence. And as always, like and subscribe. Please, 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 please. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.